I can smell it already. Okay, so the last unboxing of the day. Still in my Spidey suit because it feels good. This is from Crystal Bar Soap. Again, this was with my own money. Not sponsored, not gifted, but it's their new fall stuff, or some of it anyway. As much as I could afford. Because I am out of bath bombs and I've never actually tried their soaps, even though their name is Crystal Bar Soap. So let's get to it. Hopefully, there we go. Good vibes have arrived. Some biodegradable confetti. Wash with kindness, wash with magic, wash with intention, wash with love, wash with energy. Aww. So because there is no smell-o-vision, I will be describing the scents to you. What they say online and my opinion. That's where that goes. Graveyard Gathering. It doesn't have the RIP on the tombstone. It's a different tombstone, but it's still really beautiful. This has a moss agate stone in it, and it's supposed to smell like espresso and dark chocolate. You definitely smell the dark chocolate. Maybe once it's wet you get more of the espresso, but very nice. Alright, next one. Is a bath bomb, Fallen Leaves. It's got a tree agate in it, and the sparkle isn't really showing up on camera, but it's definitely very shimmery. And it's supposed to smell like fallen leaves, crisp autumn air, and a pinch of spice. You definitely get the spice, like cinnamon, maybe nutmeg. Fallen leaves maybe a little bit. I don't know what crisp autumn air is supposed to smell like, but we'll see what it smells like when it gets in the bath, which I'll be filming for my site. And the next one is another bath bomb, Pink Pumpkin. Super cute. Again, it's got some shimmer on it that the camera doesn't really pick up. It's got a pink Botswana agate in it, and it is supposed to smell like cranberry and vanilla. And it does. That smells good. That'll be a nice girly day in the tub. Not that scents are gendered, but whatever. All right. So I have a couple of little mini soaps. Let's do those first. This one is Thinning Veil. This isn't necessarily from their autumn collection. Pretty sure this is in their permanent collection. I could be wrong about that. So it's a rainbow obsidian, which by looking at it right here, it just looks black. I don't see any rainbow, but that could change once it's out of the soap, out of the packaging. It is beautiful. You get a little bit of that shimmery opalescence on there, but it's supposed to smell like pine trees, moss, and spider webs. It's a lot sweeter and more berry than I was expecting. I don't know what that smell is. Could change once we're in the bath, but we'll see. Next mini soap is Cardamom Dream. Cream moonstone inside. It looks just like the picture on the website. And it is chai tea and cardamom, so that definitely is pretty accurate. Oh, that smells good. Okay. That's it for the mini soaps. Now I got a couple of small bath salts. We'll start with Seventh Dimension. That has a labradorite which is one of my favorite stones, inside, and I don't really want to open it up yet, but it's supposed to smell like vanilla and oak, which, should we just open it? Let's open it. Woo! So it smells very much like men's cologne, which vanilla and oak are both pretty men's cologne-y smells. I can tell you right now I'm only going to be using a little bit of this at a time in my bath because I am a little bit more sensitive to scents than most people. But all of Crystal bar soaps so far, for me, have not given me a bad reaction like a lot of artificial perfumes do. So this is Wild West. This is another mini bath salt, and this is supposed to smell like tobacco, bay leaf, and spiced mahogany, and it has a fossilized coral inside. I do tend to favor more masculine scents, so ooh, that's good. That smells very crisp. I definitely get the woody smell. That one's very exciting to me. That's it for the bath salts. I also got one of the oils, bath oil, or you can use it as a body oil as well. And it is Cosmic Cafe. So it's got a bronzite stone in there, stones, little pebbles in there. Can't really see the mica swirl. Still gotta, it's been sitting. And I can actually smell it without opening it. That's attractive, right? And it's supposed to smell like espresso and cream, and boy howdy does it. Yeah, coffee lovers unite. Get this, because it's sparkly, it's got shiny rocks in it, and it smells just like a nice pot of espresso. Pot of espresso? Cup of espresso. Pot of coffee. And last but not least, I forgot what I got. What is this? Oh, this is the last bath bomb that I got. Chocolate Casket. Guess what it's supposed to smell like? Chocolate and espresso. Okay, I get it. There's a recurring theme here. It does have a black onyx in it. It also smells very much like chocolate. I'm getting a little bit of espresso, but mostly that chocolate. Again, may change when it's in the bath. Can't wait to see that in a video. That's it for our haul. Crystal bar soap. Love their stuff. And I cannot wait to slip into the tub. That was a precarious verbiage, but to get into the tub and try some of these out. Oh, I forgot one. Thanks for watching, and yeah, stay tuned to my sites to see some of these in action. Bye. Happy autumn.